What's up, YouTube? It's Jarrad. We're driving with the pressure washer truck.
Very nice.
Oh yeah, super fun.
Easy money.
Yeah. Trans got hot, so we went for a drive.
I don't even work here.
Oh well, we ball.
Well, I'm on the roller. It's called a sheep's foot roller. Oh yeah, my cigar. LFD Chisel, man. One of my favorites. Ashley here. Alright. Giving me the speaker so I can listen to music. I'm rolling the road. All the equipment's over there. Trying to get this done before 5 so I can go return this thing tomorrow. It's Sunday, so they're closed, but I'm gonna return it first thing. So I'm just trying to quickly roll it dry, which you're not supposed to roll it dry, but I at least want to go over it once dry. I'm gonna light this LFD Chisel. One of my favorite cigars. I love LFDs. I smoke the crap out of them. But it's so dusty, I'm having to cover up to keep my allergies from getting too bad. So, and it's what? 3:30. I couldn't find the GoPro. It fell between the seats of the truck, so kind of filming late, but hopefully we'll get a whole bunch of this done today. This is a whole lot of fun. Through it. Well, I think we're gonna go take this roller back tonight and get it dropped off. Ashley wants to drive the pickup truck. It's only like an hour and 10-minute round trip.
I ain't cooking dinner then.
Yeah, well, I wasn't planning on it. Then Jarrad here is gonna take the ATV to the farm, and then we got to be back here again tomorrow morning, do all of it. And Sunday, been working 7 days a week trying to get this road done. And then Ryan came out because he was bored. Did you actually call in sick to work?
Yeah, I wasn't bored. He just asked me to come out here after I got out of church. I was like, all right.
You said he wanted to come out here.
He did. I mean, yeah. I mean, if I didn't want to, I wouldn't be here. I just came, you know, experience, learn.
That's how I feel at church.
Oh.
I'm agnostic. I got it tattooed on my hand. All right, well, we'll go do all this and go home and probably get Quiznos maybe. I don't know, something.
We're supposed to be at dinner 4 minutes ago.
All right, so we're out of here. Well, the road's nice and rolled in. Not bad work for a Sunday. Now I'm gonna take the roller back to Conway, and I gotta put fuel in it and then drop it off to the rental company. They'll have it in the morning, and then we'll be back out here in the morning to keep working on this road. We're almost done with it, and we still got to do a whole bunch of clearing, and then another job and another job and another job. It's a never-ending cycle, but I like doing this for a living. It's going pretty well. It's awfully dirty. My nose is absolutely on fire. My allergies are bugging me like crazy, and all that kind of stuff working out here in the dust. But you know, I don't think it's better than driving truck. I drove truck 17 years, and I would much rather be out on the road going from state to state. But you know, doing this kind of at the end of my trucking career after 17 years of being OTR, almost 2 million miles, it's kind of nice to be out of it and be doing this. So I'm enjoying it so far. We'll see how long it ends up lasting. I'm sure a while, but it's coming along pretty good. This road's coming along pretty good. After rolling it, it's a lot less bouncy. It's kind of even out all those high spots, so pretty happy with it. So So we'll take this to Conway and drop her off. All right, time to unload this. Oh, that was too hard. Start it. No, this doesn't break over, it just drives off. Hold on. Yeah, push it off. Push it off. One. Sit sideways. That's it.
Where do I park it?
Just like hide it.
Oh, behind all.
And then you gotta figure out somewhere to put the key. I was gonna put in the document box on the side. So you'll have to get down and walk to it and like, you know.
In the box?
Yeah, but put it like behind some or I don't know. Just make it so when you open the box, there's not a key sitting there. Pretty easy to offload it. At least I think. We're at a place called Hums in Conway. So I actually kind of put it back in the corner and slightly hit the key on it, and then we'll call them, leave them a message, and let them know where the key's at. You hide the key? You hide the key? The way home, we'll call them and let them know.
Put it.
Well, you just
Dropped it behind the thing. It went all, you know, went
Man,
down.
they're never going to be able to get it out of there.
No, yeah, they will.
Well,
Yeah. All they have to do is take the thing out, stick their hand in there. Or use a magnet.
oh, like they got a magnet. That's how you know you're getting old.
Figure it out.
We gotta call him, leave him a message. Man, my hat's always getting squished.
It's a bark hat.
See, it's all squished right here. And I need Stenson to sponsor me. Send me hats. Man, it
Start
is
sail racing again.
squished. So we're headed home. We're gonna get something to eat, go home, shower, and then I'm back at it tomorrow. Ashley's starting to get a migraine. She had enough, and it's almost dark. So see you guys tomorrow. Love these things. Dropped my speaker. Man, I thought I ran it over too.